There are two types of calls that you definitely don't want. One, you get a call saying that there was a wreck and something happened to your customer. Worst thing ever. You don't want that happen at all. The second one, you get a call and someone's saying, I'm stranded. The car's not working. I don't know what to do. Now, you should have insurance, whether it be through Turo, hire a car, wherever you're working with, or your own insurance if you have a commercial account. You should have all that covered. But there are ways to make it to where that, they can do things their own selves, especially if it's a battery issue. When it comes to battery issues, there are a lot of boosters that are out there. This is the NOCO Boost Plus. I've had to use this about 3 or 4 times. Fabulous, especially for novices out there. As I said, I'm going to let you know that I'm not, your neighborhood mechanic. I wasn't like a car guy through and through. But this helps it out for people that just don't know what's going on. You see at the malls, you see at convenience stores, someone trying to help another person for a boost to get the jumper cables. All right, which one goes first? Does black go first or the red go first? This makes it basically foolproof. All you have to do is just turn it on. There you go. See, I need to charge this up. And what's really cool is that it actually serves as a charger for your phones. So you can still use it as a portable charger for your phones if you need to. And then you put these on. It doesn't matter if it's red first or the black first. You just put them on, and then afterwards just press this button here, and then it'll start charging. After it starts charging, you're good, and you'll know when that you need to charge up your car. As I said, I've used it about 3 times for my Santa Fe. It turned on. I was able to head on out to where I need to go to. I did go to, I think I went to AutoZone, just to check the safety of the car. They just found out it just needed one of those acid baths. So I think I went to Jiffy Lube, and I think it's about $25. They'll do a bath just to make sure the nodes are not corroded, because if they are, then the electricity will not be able to flow as it should, and you will basically get a car that won't start because the battery is not allowing the juice to flow all around. So as I said, this here can run you about, I want to say it's about $100, $125. If you want to put it in each car you have, go ahead. If you have one car, hey. But if you have multiple cars, you may want to go even to the website and try to get, some type of fleet deal or some type of bulk deal. But these are really great and really handy for people who are stranded. They don't want to wait for, the insurance people to come out and, jump the car, or, hey, you want to save yourself, the money to where that they don't have to have anybody go out there. But this is the only ones that's out there. There's more game out there in town. This is just the one I personally use. So you're trying to foolproof as much as possible, whether it be this battery charger or other things that you can put within the car, to where that everything's self-sufficient, especially if it's for people that are comfortable with doing something like this. But even if you have to go out there, then you still be able to have this to where that you can help the person out there that's stranded. But as I said, those are the calls you definitely don't want. So you want to make sure that you're proactive as possible. Make sure that your battery's okay. Make sure everything else is okay before you head out there. That's why the best thing to do is have a checklist to making sure that everything's okay. A points checklist, whether it be 25-point, 10-point checklist, to where that when you send off your cars, you have the confidence that everything's going well to the best of your abilities and the best of your knowledge.